everyone and welcome to block 3. So this time we are doing soft clusters.
So this month you're only going to learn one new stitch, which is a group of stitches that come together and they form these lovely little clusters. And so each row is exactly the same. So you're only going to repeat one row all the way along. So you just do one row 18 times and that gives you your block. You just do 3 incomplete double crochets and then you join them all together. And this is what gives you this cluster here, which I've called a bobble in this pattern. Some people call a bobble a big bulbous thing that will protrude from the work, but for this pattern I've just called it a bobble so that it's easier for you to look at the pattern and see, okay, it's a BB in the pattern and that's what I'm doing. And then you just simply crochet around the edge like you've done for the other blocks, and then block it out to the right size for your square, and then you're done.
So if you're a left-hander, you'll follow me. If you're right-handed, you'll follow Tony.
Yeah.
And let us know if you need a hand, and
Yeah.
we'll go from there. We'll see you next time. Hello everyone, welcome to block 3, which is soft clusters. So we're just using a different yarn, hopefully so that you can see the stitch definition a little bit better. And we'll get started. So I've got my 42 chain, and so what we're going to do now is make our first cluster. And to do that, it's yarn over, and then what we do is we count down 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3, this is our 4th chain. And we're going to go into there, going to do a yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through just the first 2 loops, that's all. We do that again, so yarn over, back into the same space, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Do it again, so yarn over, go down, pull through, yarn over, 2 loops, just the first 2, yarn over, we go down and in, pull it through, yarn over, 2 loops, and now we've got 5 loops on our hook, if I can count. Yep, so 2, 4, 5. So yarn over, you can hold the 2 and pull down a little bit, and then pull through all 5 loops like that, and that closes your stitch. Then the next thing you need to do is a chain 1. So chain 1. What we need to do then is skip a single crochet, miss a chain stitch. So yarn over from the top, we've got 1 there, so we're going to go into the bottom of this one here. Put that up, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and you go all in the same spot. Then yarn over, pull through 2, so yarn over, go into your stitch, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, back inside your stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and there we go, we've got 5 loops on our hook, which gives us for the beginnings of your double crochet in here, into that stitch. So yarn over, just put down on the first 2, and then pull it through all 5 stitches, and that closes it. So there we go, and then we do a chain 1, yarn over. So once again we've got it into that single crochet, and so we're going into, pull that back a little bit so we can see that one's down, and so we need to miss this one, and we need to go, it's that one, so we're going into the bottom of this one, which is down there, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, into the stitch, pull it up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and we go, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and we go a little bit from there, pull it up, yarn over, go through 2, So then we've got 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 5, and then do your chain stitch. So there it is on the way down. So if you lay your chain out, so you've got your chain, you know you need to miss the next one, and so this is the one that you would go into next. I'll just show you how it is. So this chain's full, this one's spare, got the next one here, so the next space you're going to go into is in this one. So we'll speed this along. Okay, so I'm up to my last stitch, so I'm skipping my last chain, and into there we go, and 1, and hang on to that last little bit, it can get a little bit tricky to pull it through. 2, 3, and 4. So 5 loops on my hook, and holding it down, pulling it through, and then we do a chain stitch, and we should have on our hook, I'll turn that over for you so you can see it a bit better, 19 baubles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 19. Okay, so finish with the chain stitch, and then we turn the work, and now it's easy. Here we go. So we're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and what you're going to do is do the same cluster, but in your little space there. So straight into the space, and we do the whole thing again. So 1, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2, yarn over, down, through, and go through 2, yarn over, in, yarn over, up, yarn over again, pull through 2, and we've got our 5 loops on the hook, so yarn over and pull through all 5, 1 chain. There's our next gap, so we'll go in there, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, here we go, and pull through another 2, yarn over, in there, up, go, yarn over, pull through 2, 5 loops on our hook, go right through, chain 1, to the gap, to the gap, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, in we go, and pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through all 5, chain 1, back through to your space, yarn over, 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, in we go again, pull through 2, so that's 5, and pull through, and 1 chain. Okay, and we'll do that right through. So here is one that's completed, and as you can see, it's nice and dense and nice and squishy, and that's what you'll end up with.
So you've got a total of 21 rows altogether, including your chain. So when you're counting, you'll count like that's row 2, because this is your chain, so that's row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4. So we've shown you on a couple of the other videos how to crochet all the way around. So in this video I'm just going to show you the completed block this way. You can see how all your clusters nestle in together nicely, and we've crocheted all the way around. Now I can talk to you a little bit about when you're crocheting around here. If you like, when you're counting your single crochets all the way around here, if you're having trouble getting 41 and then the 3, what you can do is, if you look closely, I'll bring this into here. This is the corner, and we've got 1, 2, 3 in this corner. What you can do is count this one as the first of your 41 for going down this side here, and then you can use this one as the first one or last one, depending on which way you're counting, for the 41 along here. And then there's your 1 in the corner. Alright, so hopefully that will help. Okay, so and that's how it looks all finished. It's very soft and squishy.